Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best hand sanitizing wipes in a convenient soft pack. The Honest Company fragrance-free sanitizing alcohol wipes, available in a 50-count pack. Whether you're on the go, at the grocery store, or just need a quick cleanup, these wipes promise to keep your hands sanitized and fresh. Right off the bat, these wipes stand out because they kill 99.99% of germs, thanks to their powerful yet gentle formula made with 65% plant-derived ethyl alcohol. That's a key feature because it balances effectiveness with care, making it safe for everyday use. Unlike harsher sanitizers, these wipes include a touch of aloe to help keep your hands soft and moisturized, preventing that dry, irritated feeling often associated with frequent sanitizing. One of the biggest benefits of these wipes is their fragrance-free nature. For those sensitive to scents or who prefer no added fragrances, this product is ideal. Plus, they have been dermatologist tested and are cruelty-free, which means they are kind to your skin and aligned with ethical standards. They are also EWG verified, which assures you that they're made with safer chemicals, contributing to both your health and environmental care. Designed with practicality in mind, the wipes come in a pack featuring a hard top lid and a flexible seal to lock in moisture. This means your wipes stay fresh and ready to use, no matter where you keep them, be it in your purse, car, or diaper bag. The size and packaging make it incredibly easy to carry around, making sure you're prepared whenever soap and water aren't available. These wipes are suitable for the whole family, recommended for ages 3 and up. That makes them versatile for parents who want a reliable sanitizing solution for their kids as well as adults. Just a note, they are not meant to be used as baby wipes or for sensitive areas like cuts or scrapes. They're strictly for sanitizing hands and wiping away dirt and grime. What's also impressive is what's missing from the formula. These wipes do not contain benzalkonium chloride, parabens, phenoxyethanol, or any chlorine processing. This means they avoid common chemicals that some people prefer to stay away from, enhancing their appeal to those looking for a cleaner, plant-based product. Overall, the Honest Company fragrance-free sanitizing alcohol wipes offer a blend of effectiveness, gentleness, and convenience. Whether you're traveling, out with kids, or just want a reliable way to sanitize your hands anytime, these wipes are a solid choice. They combine a powerful antibacterial effect with skin-friendly ingredients and thoughtful packaging that keeps them ready to use. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a dependable hand sanitizing wipe that's gentle yet effective, the Honest Company wipes might just be what you're looking for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.